Okay. What's this? Warning. Perspective change ahead from top down to side view. Oh. In this perspective, in order to check things in the foreground, you must face the foreground. Okay.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Wow, what a high ceiling.
Okay. Oh.
Okay. Huh?
What the hell?
The ceiling's falling? No way, we have to get out of here.
Help! Help! Open the door! Open
Read the sign.
door! Enter the code! What
We have to
code?
read.
Number of pillars, number of windows, number of clouds. Okay, wait. 4, 3, 5, 6. 436, 436, 436.
Use the stay.
Oh shit.
436.
Done typing.
I think you were more anxious. I think you fucked it up more because you were getting anxious.
Okay. Lock in, y'all. Lock in. Lock in.
4, 3, 6.
Lock in. Lock in. Lock in.
436.
436. 436. What does this mean? Trick art. What do I do? What do I... Let me out! I can't do this! I'm having a panic attack! I'm having a panic attack, I can't. Where's my hydroxyzine when you need it?
I'm like, okay. Let's look at the map carefully.
Look at the map, my ass.
Oh, I hate layouts. So let's look at the map. Or the other image. So that was a fluke.
Wait, there's a door.
Just go in already. You did it.
Jeez, what a trap. We almost got squished flat.
We did. 2 times.
Sure hope your pops didn't get done in that trap like that.
Stop it, don't say that.
Yeah, my bad. Anyway, we're somewhere new. Back to exploring. Oh wait, this music is nice.
You're so anxious. What the heck? The drawer is empty, huh? Wish there had been at least something.
Sounds more and more like a burglar here.
Burger. None of the drawers before have anything, so I guess I can't hope for any drawers to come.
Is hope something you put in drawers? Wait.
And yet I can't help but want to open them. It's a strange thing about drawers.
Ooh. Oh, do you hear this music? Ooh.
Catjamming.
Sure, I can get that. Doesn't matter if there's been nothing up till now, the next drawer just might have something. That's the kind of thrill drawers have.
You think so too, Masper? We agree for once.
Sure do. For once. Old stain files. Look at how even the flames are dancing. Who is on this beat? Oh, this beat is fire. Oh my god.
This looks like a running sequence.
Stop! Ah! Not another red ball puzzle! I can't take it.
The pure agony in your soul.
Oh. No, don't tell me it isn't so. Tell me it ain't so.
Say it ain't so, please. That looks like a running scene.
Stop saying that every time we walk into a room.
Anything that's opened and grand. Is this the same creators from the haunted one? The other one?
I do not know, actually. No.
Well, good luck.
No. There has to be another door.
When there are wheels, there are way.
No. Please. Please. No. Every door is locked.
Let me in.
You have to be shitting me. Let me check the room to make sure there's nothing here. Oh, brother.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks. And I can see, yeah, I think that's the reset one. Yeah.
Oh my god, look at how big it is!
The evil piano is back. Don't forget to save.
Okay, let me think.
Up anyways. Push up that first one, then you can see more around you. Don't do anything else and just look around.
Okay, I'm looking. I'm looking.
When you say look, did you happen to mean like look up a tutorial?
No, that's crazy. Who would do something like that?
That's the biggest side eye ever.
Hey, we've taken a long time on that last puzzle. I wasn't doing it again.
No, I wanted to do it.
I'm sure there will be another one. I'm sure.
Take the leg. What are you doing?
I'm going. I'm
You
leaving.
can use the ball over there to leave instead of walking all around.
Let me go back.
I mean, now there was no point to go back because you're already at the front, but that works too. You did extra work, but you know what? That's fine. You gotta get your steps in, you know?
Right. Okay, east.
Say-
So we go east. Which I know
gonna
where
go-
that is.
You're gonna go right.
Exactly.
Yay!
Okay. Light from right to left. Okay. I did it wrong. Let me... Wait. There might be a way to go in and out on this side.
You might die.
Dad?! Oh my god, his dad.
That ain't my dad.
He's locked in.
Something on top of the shelf.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to skip that. I was too locked in. I forgot I was recording.
I saw my father figure.
Yeah, and I had to lock in. Go get it. Here you go. Okay, west room key.
Thanks, Masper.
Problem. don't know how they wanted me to light it from right to left, but doesn't matter. I got a key anyways. So west. Wait, let me put the key in my.
He said west.
Yeah.
You're going.
What was that? What was that? Oh wait, we've already been in here.
What was that? What was that? That's
Aha! Eureka!
you know, the west side, you know?
Yes, I went to the west. That's what I was doing. I had to make my way around. There's another key.
Yeah, the long ass turn. It's right across from it.
Door is empty.
Alright.
Reporting in the remote, May edition. For this issue, I went to the village of Ikurugi, situated deep in the forest of blank. Ikurugi village is a booming breeding site for the edible insects known as mobiacs. If you visit the village, I recommend going to the mobiac farm to the southwest as well. The mobiac steak there is a must-have.
Our father is in on this. He's not our father.
Dun dun dun!
Master, what kind of machine do you think this is?
Don't ask me! Why not turn it on and find out?
Wait, what does the sign say over there?
Oh, what the fuck?
It's the map.
I see.
So, there's a... Okay, we've seen the dungeon.
We've seen the building. We've seen the watchtower, so we're in the annex.
Yeah?
Okay. That doesn't help me, but...
I don't know why, but it don't help me at all.
Plug it in then, dummy! Trying to turn it on. Okay, whatever. I got another key anyways. Go west. Which is...
Left. I feel like Dora's audience is like, it's right there!
There we go. Oh god, puzzles upon puzzles, I wanna die. It says 100 yen per play. Oh, what the fuck? I didn't mean to start. A crane game? Come on, let's give it a shot.
Sorry, but my wallet's empty.
Bah, what a downer.
It's gonna get him!
No!
Huh?
Ewan, let go!
Masper?
We're alone!
Masper? How am I supposed to do that?
The crane! Pick me up with the crane!
But I don't have any money.
Just something, alright? Now we're all alone.
Oh no!
100 yen per play. Anybody got any money or what? Okay, well, what can I do? I have to do something in here.
Get some hammers, break some boxes, break the glass. Break the glass.
No, my head's stuck on real tight. Maybe if my arms were just a little longer, I could do something.
Sorry.
Why are you apologizing for that? Oh, I think I found something behind those pillars when the crane was lifting me up.
Behind the pillars, I'll go look.
Money. An extension cord.
Oh, we're gonna go.
I got it. This is such a huge mansion, there's gotta be coins around somewhere. I'm begging you.
Alright, so you gotta leave.
Probably play that other game. Because that one, the cord needed plugged in.
We're gonna get some tokens.
Extension cord. Use the extension cord, dummy! Oh my god. Okay. What am I doing?
And they had to get the color to the center.
Oops. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to press it. Sorry. Let me just watch it.
Oh, it's like a Simon Says thing. Like, what do you see?
Snowman?
Snowman.
Was that a snowman or a snow dude?
I think it was a snow dude.
It wasn't a snow dude.
What are we doing putting gender on snowmen?
Carrot.
Carrot.
Okay. Chocolate ice cream. I'm like, you don't understand how close I am to the screen.
Oh my god.
Teddy bear. That was a bear.
Bear.
Please be it. Oh, thank god I won. A key. Okay, another room key. Oh me my, oh me my. Oh wait.
Save.
Not again. Not more puzzles. I can't bear it. It'll get off that shelf eventually, little piggy, you'll move!
Jesus.
Hold on. You've never seen real movement like this!
Is it moving?
It was. What the fuck am I supposed to do with this? Search every pot? A pot? A pot? A pot?
Hammer it. Axe it.
You're right. Bust the vase! It cried. 100 yen, let's go. I just want to break everything for fun, though.
I'm not gonna stop you, but I feel like this might be a canon event.
It'll be like, you could just see this action will have consequences. I'm setting all the souls free that are trapped in these ugly-ass faces. Okay. Oh?
That has to be our dad. He's evil.
Papa? Sota Michino, I've been waiting to meet you for a long time. Indeed, I have many questions. Were you and the puppeteer, rather, were you and Miki happy? It's always been a concern of mine. But I suppose there's little point asking now that she's gone. The eye of truth has begun to act. I am unable to stop them. As painful as it is for you, you will likely never see your daughter again. Please wait here until it's all over. If anything were to happen to you, it would sadden your daughter.
This is a different guy, right?
Yeah, I think that our dad's in the bed.
So he is the kid that got abducted, no?
He might be. He just might be. What's you?
Okay. Ugh. So he was. Mayo.
We gotta work on getting our talking teddy bear back. Oh, never mind, it's backstory time.
Yay!
Oh wait, do you want to be her since I'm Soda?
Okay. Sota, hurry, hurry!
Hurry, hurry.
Jeez, we're going to be late for the movie if you don't hurry.
Sorry, sorry. Or wait, no, that is you.
Oh my goodness. Sorry, sorry. Why would it be the other guy? It's Sota we're talking about.
Well, I don't know. I thought we were gonna get a little backstory on who the hell that guy was.
Ain't no way we're ever gonna get that. Alright, let's see.
What is it now? Didn't forget your ticket, did you?
No, it's not that. That girl there. Hey, are you alright?
She must have run from home. I've heard there's been a lot of runaways like her.
A runaway?
Come on, Soda, let's go to the theater. The movie's starting in 10 minutes.
I know that, but this girl seemed to be injured.
I don't care, I got us Wicked 2 tickets, come on!
Let's see. Where's the nearest hospital?
Soda, there's no time for this. Wicked 2! Did you not hear me? The runaway has nothing to do with us. Some nice person will help her out.
But there's no one else around, and I can't ignore a wounded girl.
Fine, fine. I'll just call it in, okay? Yes, police, hello. Yes, hello, police. We found a runaway girl on the road. Can you come pick her up? Location? Just trace the call or something, okay? Bye. Damn. There, I called the police. Happy? Now, the theater. The theater.
Sorry, but could you go and watch it alone? I'm taking this girl to a hospital.
She kinda sucks.
She does. I thought she was gonna be good.
Are you trying to embarrass me? Sota Michino, come back this instant while I can still forgive you. I'm begging you, just think about it. We'll go see a movie, eat some tasty food, have a great day. That was the plan, right? Are you gonna throw it all in the garbage because of some runaway?
Sorry, Akari.
I can't believe this. And I bought tickets to Wicked 2. Soda, you idiot. L girl. L girl. L Akari.
Hey, you're awake.
Where is this?
Oh, that's Mom. A hospital. I found you wounded on the road, so I brought you here.
Wounded?
Don't worry, it wasn't anything too bad. You should be healed out in no time. I'm sorry, maybe I shouldn't be rambling at you right after you woke up. I'll be going soon. Rest up and get well.
Aww. I don't understand.
You mean, why were you wounded?
No, not just that. Everything else, too.
Everything.
I can't remember a thing, just Who am I?
You lost your memory?
I guess so.
Oh, I guess so.
Okay, anyways, back to getting my bear out of the skill crane.
The real important people right now.
Exactly. Save the game. And let's lock in. I have 100 yen. Oh wait, I have to hold it in my hand, don't I? Oh god, what if I only get one shot to do this? Oh, found some money? Now save me and make it quick. You better not screw up.
Of course, despite what you may think, I'm a real pro at this crane games.
I wouldn't say that. Oh, unless... Girl.
Oh, that was okay. I thought that was you.
No.
Thank goodness. When the crane grabbed you, I didn't know what I was going to do. Although, maybe it's because we were apart for a bit, but you seemed much more dependable than usual, Masper.
Hey, quick question. Who the hell do you think you're having an emotional reunion with?
She's like, I fucked up. Sorry, I messed it all up.
Could you mistake that ugly sack of stuffing for me?
Look, I said I was sorry.
More dependable, huh? I guess so, huh? Cause you ditched me for some weirdly buff bear. Gah, forget you, lady. I'm finding the old man by myself.
What? No, Masper. Well, he's still there, so...
Well... Buff teddy bear. Oh, that's you.
Masper, are you still mad? I know, I'll take one of those fancy sushi shops you've always been craving, okay? Cheer up, please.
Where do I go now?
Have to help Masper.
Still have to help. How do you expect me to do that? Want me to break things?
Break the glass! Break the glass!
It doesn't let me do that.
What did it say?
Wait, is that all it took? It gives me like 3 plays or something? Hey, what's going on now?
I'm not doing anything.
Damn, what are you doing with me?
Masper, no!
Gah!
Huh, that was unexpected. Can you hear me, Master? Is this me?
Yeah?
Oh. Reveal.
Oh, it's you. Wait, it's you?
Good, so you're okay.
So you're okay.
Revelation.
You talking to me?
Who else is there?
So that's it, huh? I thought it was a possibility. You actually could see me, can't you?
Ah, so you realized.
Just had a gut feeling.
I see.
There's a lot I gotta ask you, old man. First things first, we gotta get back to Mayo and get out. I'll grill you when we're back home.
Masper. Thanks.
Too soon to thank me. Depending on your answers, I may have to kick your ass.
Right, I'll count on that. I'll keep that in mind. So, Masper, where is Maya now?
Should be in the room up above us.
Above here. Actually, where are we?
This is the mansion's annex. How did you get way over here anyway?
I was searching for the mansion for people, then I got caught up in a trap, then I woke up in this room.
So a trap did get you, huh?
Masper, listen carefully. See that small gap there? Go through it and meet up with Mayo. Then escape the mansion as fast as you can.
What about you, though?
I can't fit through there, so I'll find another route. Just focus on escaping with Mayo. This mansion is dangerous.
Well, I know it. Traps all over the place, right?
I didn't really mean it like that. I think this mansion might be... No, there isn't. There's no time to explain for now. Meet up with Maya. I'll tell you later.
Roger that. Roger Dodger.
So what is a Masper?
Oh my god, I'm Masper. That's what I am.
Uh-oh.
No! What's that, Mayo? And that sounded like a gunshot. What the heck's going on? I gotta go save her.
No, we were a Masper for like 0.5 seconds.
It was a nice 0.5 seconds.
Masper! Oh great, Masper fell down there. But he should have landed in the room right underneath there. Here. I'll find you right away, Masper. So we about to be got.
Oh dear.
Huh? Where's Masper? That's strange. He should have fallen down here. Papa! Papa! Oh. Hmm? Oh, the door's open. Hmm? Someone's there? Dad? Hmm? Are you? Yeah.
I'm surprised. How did you get this far?
I'm sorry for barging in. I'm looking for my dad and... Do you live in this mansion?
Well, I'm permitted to be here, I suppose. My name is Kamikura. You're Mayo Michino. It's very brave of you to come this far for your father.
How do you know my name?
I heard your father muttering it to himself.
You seen my dad?
Yes, unluckily enough, your father got caught in a trap. This mansion does have many ill-natured traps, you know.
Oh no, is he okay?
I'm looking after him and letting him rest. Don't worry, it's nothing life-threatening. He should wake up soon.
That's good. Mr. Kamikura, thank you for helping my father.
No need to thank me. After all, I'm gonna kill you. Technically speaking, it's largely my fault that any of this even happened.
Huh? I don't like the way you walk, Mr. Kamikura. Mr. Kamikura, is there something on my face?
Yeah,
Okay, hold on.
let me pull out my gun and get it out. The spitting image of her.
Ah, the mom. Mr. Kamikura?
I just can't do it. Miss Mayo Michino, I'll lead you to your father. I'll do what I can after that, so... No! They're here already?
Oh, he's gonna die.
Listen carefully. 2 people are about to come into the room. Don't make a single sound while they're here. Don't even breathe. They might notice.
What?
They're coming! How are things going? Oh, they're going well. Very well. Very well. Are you sure? One look at this room tells me that things are not going well. Why is the puppeteer's daughter not here?
What?
And what's the point of capturing her father? I thought you were told to kill him.
Bruh. What?
Did you say something? Sorry, I've had this awful cough. Right, never mind that. Is Shun not with you? He's out doing his own thing. Really unusual to see you apart. Right, capture the girl soon, and don't forget to deal with her father. Right, understood. At this rate, we won't be getting her to HQ until tomorrow. Whew. Managed to fool her, but there's not much time.
Mr. Kamikura, what just happened? It's like that lady couldn't see me at all.
That's correct, she couldn't.
Huh?
I have the power to make people see illusions, if you'll believe that.
The power to make illusions?
Don't be too surprised, it's trivial compared to your mother's power.
You know my mom?
I do, but this isn't the time to reminisce. I'll get to the point. You and your father are being targeted. Though, technically it's just you, and your father got wrapped up in it.
I'm being targeted? But why would that...
Because they believe you have inherited your mother's abilities.
Her abilities? Mr. Kamikura, I don't understand a word you're saying. And not to mention, us coming here was just happenstance.
No, your arrival here was no accident. It was planned.
Planned?
I'm sorry, but there's no time to give you all the details. I'll tell you where your father is, then you can escape the mansion. He's in a secret room on the west side of the second floor here. There's a secret passage at a dead end that should allow you to get there. And be careful not to run into any of them.
Them? Are there more than just the lady who came in here?
Yeah, Miren has a partner who goes everywhere with her. I should explain their powers too. Miren, the woman who just came in, has the power of psychokinesis.
Psychokinesis?
She can move things with her mind, but it's limited to light objects. If you encounter her, watch out for anything she could throw at you. And the other one, he might be the more dangerous one right now. He has the power to conceal. Oh no! Nira and Shun were together!
Oh, invisibility.
I heard that. Blonde man!
Blonde boys doing what blonde boys do.
Shun, how long have you been here? From the beginning. I was told to observe the puppeteer's daughter, so really it's my job, you know. I've been following the girl around from the moment she set foot in the mansion. I never heard about this, because Miren said not to tell you. Hey, Miren, check this out!
Uh-oh.
So, this is what it's come to, Wait, Miren, listen to me. Mayumi Chino doesn't have the puppeteer's power, so let's just leave her alone, okay? That's not a problem. We can make her power awaken with a little torture if need be. Stop, you have no right to do this to us. Right to kidnap us and force powers upon us, huh? What are you talking about? In fact, I believe you were the culprit behind all of this, Kamikura. If you hadn't let the puppeteer free so long ago, it wouldn't have come to this. What? What's so surprising? I know all about what you did. You loved the puppeteer, didn't you? So then why did you let her escape? You could have had her forever.
Oh?
This mission was a perfect opportunity for you to make up for that mistake. But unfortunately, you've wasted it. Goodbye, Mr. Kamikura.
Yeah. Yeah, pasó.
Ya pasó.
It was an illusion. Oh, never mind. Yeah, pasó. Mr. Kamikura.
Oh my god, I better not get a running sequence, I swear.
You're gonna get a running suit. Do you want me to voice her now?
Oh, yeah, you can voice her now.
Now then, let's get moving. Sean, take the puppeteer's daughter.
Yes, ma'am!
Book it. No.
Don't worry, we won't do anything violent. Maybe. Yes! Wait up! I'm taking another step!
We're screwed. We got the mayor on our side. We're fucking screwed.
No, NOOO MASPER! He's coming to save us. He's gonna save us.
Masper. Oh, fuck.
Yes! So we're the puppeteer and we have a bear that's moving around.
Masper is actually the mom this entire time.
Oh, you hurt? Thought I heard a gunshot.
I'm fine, but Mr. Kamakura was shot.
Kamakura? Who the hell is that? We ran, look. It's one of those living dolls.
Is this the one the puppeteer made in her last moment? How fantastic. Levitating objects, becoming invisible, making illusions. It doesn't even compare. At any cost, we must make this cure ours. What's going on? Can these people see Master too?
Now just run! Sorry, can't let you do that. Hey, Ren, the bear's getting in my way. Mind if I destroy it?
Yes, but only because I'll do it.
No, Masper!
That looks kind of funny. Oh no!
Oh!
It can't be. Master, no!
Once your abilities awaken, you can make plenty of those things, see? Now come with us.
No, Master! My bear! What are you doing, Sean? Hurry up! Soon. Wait! I might have to give you back. Why did I might give you back the girl, by the way.
Okay.
Wait, Dad?
I completely forgot. Thanks for coming right to me. It really saves me a lot of the hassle. It really saves me a lot of the hassle. I forgot the voice I was giving her, sorry.
You're good. Dad, run! You're toast. He fell flat. Dad?
You should see my face right now. You should see my fucking face.
He's not bleeding. It's an illusion. Are you shocked? Dad, no!
Not gonna make much progress like this. Sorry, but I gotta put you to sleep.
Mac.
To Ikarugi Village as planned. Are you sure about this, Shun? I'm a little bit reluctant, to be honest. It's the fastest thing we've got. His assistant will be indispensable for this plan. Sigh. Alright, I hardly even want to see his face, but I suppose we can't be picky. If it's to achieve our goals, I'll just have to put up with it. But what are you banking on if this girl doesn't have the puppeteer's powers? We have no need for a girl without any powers, and she's seen too much already. She'll likely have to be disposed of. Yeah. As expected. But pray, she does have the powers if you don't want to die.
Cliffhanger.
Let me get to a save. Oh, flashback.
It looks like Mom.
Mama!
I'm home.
Oh, welcome back. Oh, I can walk! 2 tasty-looking meals. Hello, honey. I tried to make some dinner. Hopefully it's edible, at least. Closets full of clothes. Stuffed animal that looks melted. That looks like a melted rabbit. An alarm clock for Akari.
I should apologize later for my car reading.
Did you and Miss Akari fight because you went out of your way to help me?
How did you know that?
Miss Akari came here today and told me what happened.
Really? What else did she say?
I think... She said she never wants to see you again, and to never talk to her, not even on the street, and to not call her for the next decade, and...
No, that's enough. Awkward.
Awkward. A desk lamp.
What's this notebook?
Oh, that's... I've been writing whatever words and pictures come to mind. I thought it might help me get my memory back.
I see. That's a great idea. This picture, though.
Pretty gross, isn't it? Please just forget you saw that notebook. Not a speck of dust on the shelves. Did Miki clean them? Nothing to do that way. I'm getting scared of getting my memories back. Just what is that eye that keeps watching me?
Try leaving.
What else am I supposed to do? Sit down and eat?
Do you have any items?
No.
Did you talk to the clock?
Looked at the clock. Just sit down and eat then! What the fuck?
Miki, can I borrow this for a quick?
Well, I don't mind.
Thanks.
Oh, maybe that's it. There. Well, it was that simple. Just to borrow the book.
Professor...
Oh, sorry, that's you.
Professor Murata, I wanted to ask you something.
Oh? Something with the lecture?
No, it's not about the course. Could you look at this notebook?
Let me take a little look. Oh,
I was wondering if you knew anything about what this is, Professor.
Yes, this picture does seem familiar.
Really?
Yes, this is the Ring of Eyes. It's used as a symbol by a religious group called the Eye of Truth.
What a simple sigil. The Eye of Truth?
The Eye of Truth is a relatively new religion that was born about a decade ago. Perhaps you didn't know, but there was a sort of ESP boom. Ever tried bending spoons or whatnot? It was quite popular for a time. At any rate, the Eye of Truth came about as a product of those times.
So, basically the Eye of Truth is a religion about ESP?
Right you are! The Eye of Truth is committed to researching ESP to make the world a better place.
What's ESP?
I don't know.
Researchers in ESP. It's a pretty shady religion.
And that's a bit prejudiced, Sonny. Though true, I have heard some bad rumors about the Eye of Truth.
Like what?
Accusations of kidnapping children with ESP potential from all around the country say... I think that's preposterous myself.
See, I was right. That was the theory I had.
Wow.
Anyway, is the person who drew this someone you know?
Yeah, she is.
In that case, perhaps she... Oh, that time already? I need to prepare for my next lecture.
Sorry to trouble you, Professor Murata.
time you want to know anything. So long. Goodbye, Professor.
Just focus.
We already went through that, though. I guess we're gonna go through his point of view now.
Alright, I have to find a way to get to the other side.
And we're gonna save, and that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yep. Thank you so much for watching this episode of the Midnight Puppeteer. We will absolutely be playing more of this game, so if you enjoy, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button even. Go crazy! And until next time, bye!
Ta-ta.